Mumbai? From up here, it looks like 1,000 dreams stitched together with light. I'm ready to find my place in this story. The air feels alive here. Warm, salty, like the ocean is breathing secrets. My journey begins now. Everyone told me Mumbai traffic has its own rhythm. And they're right. It's like the city's heartbeat. I've seen this in photos, but standing here, under this giant arch, I feel like I'm part of something bigger. Like history is watching me back. One bite of this street food, and my taste buds are on fire. Who knew spicy could be this fun? Every corner feels like a storybook. Bright fabrics, laughter, and 100 tiny worlds hidden in one street. Okay, this rickshaw ride, it's like a roller coaster without rules. But somehow, it all feels alive and free. The waves here, they whisper like old friends. I could stay forever, just letting the sunset paint my thoughts. In this silence, I don't need to understand every word. I just feel it, a calm that reaches my heart. It's like watching life rush past me. Every face, a story. For now, I just drift, letting Mumbai carry me. Okay, this is it. Vadapav is pure happiness. Mumbai, you just stole my heart in one bite. When the sun sets, Mumbai doesn't sleep. It glows like it's telling 1,000 untold stories. I came here as a stranger, but tonight, this city feels like a friend I'll never forget. Another day ends, but I want you to be there for every new sunrise with me. Subscribe to Anireal Vlogs, and let's dream of the next adventure to get her.